This is Holly. Like many of us, Holly sometimes notices damp patches or condensation in their home. Condensation occurs when warm, moist air comes into contact with a cold surface, such as a window. If it's not managed, mould can grow. Mould doesn't just damage your home. It can affect your health, making breathing more difficult and impacting individuals with asthma or other respiratory conditions. Condensation can occur all over your home, including bathrooms, kitchens, and bedrooms, when the airflow is reduced or when the house is too cold. So, what can you do? Try to keep rooms at a steady 18 to 19 degrees, even if you're out. Warm air holds less moisture. After cooking or showering, open a window or use an extractor fan for about 20 minutes. Try to avoid drying clothes on the radiator. However, if this is unavoidable, open the window and close the door of the room where the clothes are drying, so that moisture can escape outside rather than circulate your home. Small steps stop mould before it starts. If you see mould, clean it safely using gloves and household cleaner, but always tell us as soon as possible so we can check if repairs or extra ventilation are needed. By making a few simple changes, you can keep your home healthier, safer, and more comfortable. For more advice, visit the tenant area on our website. If you see mould growing within your home, contact us immediately so we can arrange a visit to inspect it. Thank you for watching our video.